Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Hopefully you can hear me well. I'm in the street, a lot of ambient noise, but let's get into it. What's going on with Bitcoin price? Well, Bitcoin as we speak is currently at 58k USD, of course, and things are not necessarily going well for now, but at least it's stable. It's not really moving that volatile anymore, and they're just going a sideways movement. If you look back into previous videos, I told you that we might go all the way to 56, which happened, and we kind of had a bounce back from the 56, but that bounce back is kind of worrying. It's not alarming, but it's kind of evoking some worry here. Why is that? Well, when you look at the price movement, you will find that around the 56 was a very strong support, which I'm very thankful for. And currently the price is slowly and steadily going up once more, but it's not really going up as quickly as we hope, or having this bounce back as strongly as we hope for. But I do believe that currently if we clear the 60k and hold the 60k for at least 48 hours, then probably we can have a very good possibility of going all the way to 65 and eventually even the all-time high. I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. I do believe that the 100k is going to be feasible and manageable and achievable within the current cycle, but when exactly, nobody knows. If someone is saying he knows exactly or she knows exactly when is it going to happen, well, I would argue that because currently the market is having a very big question mark. Technically speaking, we always had Bitcoin price moving upwards towards an all-time high after the Bitcoin halving, but this cycle is quite different. We're having Bitcoin is having an all-time high before the halving. That happened previously some weeks ago, or a couple of months ago. That was in April, I believe. Yeah, mid-April. That was Bitcoin halving. So this cycle is quite different. This cycle is quite interesting, and let's see what's going to happen. Of course, I'll be keeping you updated whenever something major happens in the market. I know I'm not really uploading that much these days. I'm quite busy right now with some deals, business deals. As you can tell, I'm currently in London, back from Italy a couple of months ago actually. Had some successful business trip in Italy, so hopefully we can have some successful business here in London, and then afterwards we will see what's next. But I would say for now, if you want to invest in Bitcoin, if you want to invest in crypto, do your own due diligence, understand what's going on in the market, and then always be prepared to take some profit. Taking profit is absolutely important right now, because once Bitcoin reaches a certain number, you will find a massive sell-off. People will just sell like crazy, and Bitcoin price can plummet quite severely. So you have to be prepared, and you have to also to think what to do once you have some profits on the side. That's what I've been trying to do over the last few months, because I'm trying to prepare myself for the next bull run, or the current bull run. So once Bitcoin gets to a certain point, I can cash out and then I can reinvest it somewhere else. I've been exploring the ideas of real estate. I've been exploring the idea of side businesses here and there. But I mean, you know, I'm just experimenting on my own. Of course, I'll be sharing that with you at a later point. But for now, I would say just be careful. Bitcoin is gonna have a move anytime soon. Most likely, it's gonna be bullish move around the 60k. And once we clear the 60k, we can have some relief that, or confidence at least, that Bitcoin can go all the way up again to the previous all-time high, and then have a bit of a struggle at around the 72k, and then we can carry on going to the unknown territory of 75 plus. But I would say for now, be careful. If you're trading with leverage, please, oh please, put some risk management strategy in place. Know exactly when to take profit, when to stop loss, but just don't leave things open infinitely like that. Just have some control over your trades, and if you're in a loss, accept the loss and just stop it there. If you're in profit, then start entertaining the idea of taking some profits. And as I told you, of course, as you'll be updating you whenever something else happens in the market. And my friend has arrived, so we're just going to do some meeting, and see you next time.